Welcome, and this is the part third of our existing question, which are going on from last 2 days. Scenario is this: we already have this beta namespace is already exists. So beta namespace and front end. This is not required for our third and this control plane text. So we have already concluded that Alpine image we are using. So these two also done with the image selection with Trivy and the secure deployment. Now we'll head to the cluster IP services. So here expose the deployment via service name beta web SVC of type cluster IP. The service should listen on the port 80 and the target port is 80. So this is the target port which is important. So network policy restriction will say tomorrow and so let's get ahead with the deployment. So first of all, get deployment hyphen and beta namespace. So it is the deployment. So k describe. So because we want a label, describe deployment beta web. So here app is a beta app. This is the our labels. So let's get started. So for creation of the services, I'll go to the Kubernetes documentation. So I'm aware about what to search. So I will always search for cluster IP. So I will search node port because node port services and this though both if you want define it, it is the cluster IP services. So so in page you don't have to scroll. Just I know from which keywords I go near to the required YAML file. So you can also vi svc.yaml and I'll paste it. So whatever things is not required, I'll just remove it, and whatever required, I'll just add it. After the adding, we'll correct it. So namespace, people always forgot this. So I do a habit first add and then refine. So here selector is this is not required. So I'll just app, and this comment is either not required, but it is not harmful. So you can keep it or remove it. It's your so you can remove it. So protocol is TCP. Okay, from top to bottom we'll have. So namespace we need to change it to beta hyphen web hyphen svc. Now the service is not put. No, not our service is cluster IP. Selector is a beta hyphen web. So these are the things we need to change it here. Because this selector is very important to manage this expose and this port. So I skip and wq. So k apply hyphen f svc.yaml. So well and good is created. So k k describe svc hyphen n beta, and that be name of the SVC beta. What is the name? Beta service. So copy and paste. What happened? What I had get svc.yaml. So name is already there. Why it is not taking? Oh, sorry, we had not in. This is what every step is important. So k delete svc beta svc because it is created in default namespaces. So I need to edit that here beta namespace to be inserted. So beta and escape wq and now create it. So k apply hyphen f svc.yaml. So k get svc hyphen and beta. So cluster IP is created. Well and good. So k describe beta web services, describe svc beta web svc. So here endpoints is there. So these are the admins, these are the IPs of pod. So k get pods hyphen o wide. So and beta. So if you'll see this is the pod IPs. So these are the pod IPs. So you can find it here. Both are the IPs of the pod. So things are good. This is to be done. You can test it by creating it test pod and check it, or you can exit into the front end here whatever the front end is created. So you can exit and then you can do if it is correctly created or not. Sorry. So thank you so much for your love and support. And on 14th of December, from 14th of December, I am going to start on CKS topics. So thank you so much for your love and support, and I will see you there on CKS topic from tomorrow on, means from 14th of December. So thank you. Stay tuned.